नई दिल्ली के त्रिवेणी कला संगम स्थित श्री धरानी आर्ट गैलरी में 8 से 15 जून 2026 तक पैरेलल्स ऑफ परसेप्शन नामक सामूहिक कला प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। द क्वार्टर्स कलेक्टिव द्वारा आयोजित इस प्रदर्शनी में 5 महिला कलाकार अपनी अनूठी कलाकृतियां प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं। रेखीय अमूर्त कला, ऑप्टिकल इफेक्ट और मिक्स्ड मीडिया के माध्यम से कलाकार समाज, प्रकृति, वास्तुकला और मानवीय भावनाओं को नई दृष्टि से दर्शा रही है। प्रदर्शनी का उद्देश्य दर्शकों को कला के विभिन्न आयामों से जोड़ना और उन्हें रचनाओं को गहराई से समझने का अवसर प्रदान करना है।
My name is Lubna Sen. I'm a curator and a gallerist. My gallery is based out of Gurgaon, and as a curator, I do independently a lot of shows also. So this is a wonderful collective who I'm very glad to be invited for a talk show of women artists, poignant and powerful was the topic. And I personally, as a curator and a gallerist, have promoted a lot of women artists, incidentally, a lot more than men artists. It's just that it has happened that way naturally. And I know some of these artists, and they put up a beautiful show. The talk was very good and very important. What I felt was that there is a certain gap that was felt while we were talking about women who are restarting their artistic career. I think that's a very interesting inquiry that we should go further and see, because there are these talents which are getting missed out.
Hi, I'm Ritu Singh Pandey, a proud member of the Quads Collective. Quads, a dream of women artists that is slowly becoming true. 1 year ago, we had started with this concept of bringing together some gentle drops of water and then incubating them under rocks, under pressure, under time, under beautiful creativity. And here we are, topaz, quartz, pure gem. And in this 1 year, we have incubated the thought of a beautiful exhibition, which is right in front of you at the Sri Dharani Art Gallery, Triveni Kala Sangam. 5 artists out of our 12 gems are here exhibiting their body of work. And let me tell you how diverse the themes are, how diverse their journeys are. Each and every artist coming from a different circumstances, a different lifestyle, a different ideology, different processes, but blending into one gallery, blending into one show, that is Parallels of Perception. We are 5 parallels here, 5 lines. None of them are really straight. None of them are really similar to each other, but we run parallel. Maybe we are meandering rivers in a desert. Maybe we are the sea ourselves, but we are running together to become the sea, to become this world in art. Women artists, you have tread slow. You have been passive. You have been neglected, ignored. But here you are, running, speed, strong, steady. And now we will flow as vast as we can, with more power, with more strength. Quads Collective, we are winning.
मैं अपने कुछ सहेलियों का एग्जीबिशन देखने आई हूँ और इसका एक ग्रुप बनाया है उन्होंने, जिसको इसको कहा है क्वार्ट्स कलेक्टिव्स। अब इस क्वार्ट्स कलेक्टिव्स में 5 महिलाएं हैं और इनमें से मैं हर एक के काम से वाकिफ़ हूँ। इस एग्जीबिशन में निताशा जानी, इसको तो मैं पिछले 30-35 साल से जानती हूँ। हमेशा जब भी एग्जीबिशन होता है मिलते रहते हैं, उनके काम के बारे में काफ़ी जानती हूँ। फिर रितु अग्रवाल, शिखा गुप्ता, गीतांजलि कश्यप, रितु सिंह पांडे। रितु सिंह पांडे से काफ़ी मुलाकात होती रहती है, लेकिन इस चीज़ का मेन ये मैं श्रेय दूंगी, काम तो हर एक का बहुत बढ़िया है, लेकिन जॉर्जिना मैडॉक्स जो है, जो क्यूरेटर हैं, ये एक आर्टिस्ट की तरह ही सोचती हैं। काम लगाते वक्त सोचते हैं, ये भी सोचती है कि भाई किस काम के कितना स्पेस रखना है, क्योंकि अगर हम स्पेस नहीं रखते हैं काम के बीच में तो काम का मज़ा ही नहीं रहता है। तो यहाँ पे काम तो लगाया है, लेकिन उसके बीच में तो उन्होंने काफ़ी स्पेस रखा है, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि जब काम एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल चिपके हुए लगा दो तो हर एक की इम्पोर्टेंस ख़राब हो जाती है काम की।
I've done my master's in textiles and then later mentored under Mr. Rameshwar Prukta. I'm now a part of this fabulous group called the Quartz Collective, and this is our debut show. It's a show of 5 women artists who are established in their careers, but their journeys have brought them together in such a manner that they are using their present momentum to fuel each other's fire and move forward. So it's a synergy of 5 energies of 5 artists with very diverse languages, very diverse life experiences.
The buildings of Manhattan inspired me to do this. Initially I was inspired by Manhattan buildings, and then I started drawing building. Then I moved to inner architectural pillars, and the this body of work is related to very congested urban architecture.
I'm a practicing artist of Delhi NCR. My studio is in Gurgaon. And Gurgaon is a bustling place, and the buildings of Gurgaon, the people of Gurgaon all enter into my works. Everybody in today's life, in today's world, wants progress. And my works talk about progress. My works talk about going to the next higher step. I also use a lot of processes in my work. The layering in my work is intense. It takes me a long time to paint. You see here these laser cut uh, buildings here. This is the these are the drawings of the city that I live in, Gurgaon that I live in.
Okay, so my name is Shikha Gupta, and I have a background of fine arts from École de Beaux-Arts Paris, and I'm an art therapist also, practicing art therapist. So all my work is coming from the subconscious and very meditative work I try to do. Uh, and I also work like what makes our personality, like every experience, every memory um, makes your personality, and all those things come through your past experiences. So I want to portray all of those things into my painting. That's why I don't hide also the marks which are being done subconsciously and intuitively, but I put a glaze over that, and the thing which is in present, which we define as our present personality, so I bring it in the forefront. And also I kind of, my process is I create the grids, the way we put ourselves into the boxes. So I create those grids, but then I flow from one grid to another grid, and I disrupt the structure. So that is what comes after you go further in your journey, that those lines, those boundaries doesn't matter much, and you want to use your full potential. So all my works are inspired by all those things. Lot of, सो जैसे अंतःप्रवाह है, यहाँ पे अंतःप्रवाह एक वर्क है, फ्लो है, अंतःप्रवाह के 3 हैं सीरीज में काम,